Hello friends, how are you? I hope that you would find. There is a question that can be solved in two ways. One from right to left and another way from left to right. So we shall see which is the correct solution. First we are solving from right to left. So this is 3 divide by 3 divide by 3 divide by 3. Solving from right to left, that is 3 divide by 3 divide by 3 upon 3. 3 divide by 3. That is 3 ones are 3, 1. Now 3 divide by 3 divide by 1. Further 3 divide by, when 3 is divided by 1 we shall get 3. Further solving, 3 divide by 3 is equal to 1. So our answer is 1. But this is not the correct solution. Let us see what happens when we divide from left to right. So 3 divide by 3 divide by 3 divide by 3. We shall divide this with this. 3 divide by 3 divide by 3 and divided by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 divide by 3 divide by 3. So that is 1 upon 3 divide by 3 upon 1. Reciprocal of this, doing reciprocal of this, 3, 1 upon 3 multiply by 1 upon 3. So that is 1 upon 9. Turning it into decimal, we shall get 0.1111 and so on. This solution is correct and this solution is wrong. Since division is not commutative, therefore this solution is wrong and this solution is correct. This solution is wrong. This solution is correct. Since division is not commutative. Thank you for watching, my scholars.